Hi students, today we will discuss how to construct triangle ABC in which whose base length is given, one of the base angle is given and the difference between the other two sides are given. See here, the name of the triangle is ABC and the base length is 8 centimeter. One of the base angle, that is angle B, equal to 45 degree, and the difference between these two sides AB minus AC equal to 3.5 is also given. If we draw a rough figure, we will get a like this. Name of the triangle is ABC, base length 8 centimeter is given and angle B equal to 45 degree and the difference between the other two sides is 3.5 centimeter. Here AB minus AC is given. That means AB is bigger than AC. AB is bigger than AC. From this we can understand AB is greater than AC. So for constructing we have to draw a straight line of length 8 centimeter. We can name it as BC and the length is 8 centimeter. Now at B we have to construct 45 degree. For that first we have to construct 90. After constructing 90 we have to bisect, then we will get 45 degree. For that let's draw an arc. Then for constructing 90, first we have to construct 60, then 120. That means the second 60 part we have to bisect. Then we will get 90 degree. If you don't know how to construct 90, I have already uploaded that video. You can go through that. I will put the link of that video in the description box. Okay. This angle is 90 and after bisecting 90 we will get 45 degree. For how to bisect an angle? We know that. Place the metal tip here, draw an arc and place the metal tip over here. That means 90 degree bisector. Join these two, we will get 45 degree. We must extend this one. Same like as we did, some of the other two sides are given. My previous video we have done that first part. This is question number 2. For question number 1 we have done. Okay, now next part is AB minus AC equal to 3.5. It is given. So AB minus AC 3.5 centimeter we have to take. With a scale or compass you can take that. So here it comes. AB minus AC comes here. So we can take that point as X. Then join C and X. Same method like AB plus AC. Then in that case also we bisect CX. So for bisecting CX, place the metal tip on C and take more than half of CX. Draw one arc on the left side and another arc on the right side. Then place the metal tip on X without changing the compass. Draw another arc Then join these two, we will get the perpendicular bisector of CX, and that perpendicular bisector meets BX at A. You can use dotted line for that. This point is A. This point is A. That means perpendicular bisector of CX meets this long line at A. Then join C and A. We will get the required triangle ABC. This green colored triangle is the required triangle. Once again I will explain. Here the base length is given 8 cm. We can use ruler to draw that. Then at B we have to construct 45 degree. Then extend that line. Then AB minus AC is 3.5 is given. That with the ruler you can measure it, or with the compass you can draw it. And that point is X. Join C and X. Draw the perpendicular bisector of CX. Then that perpendicular bisector meets this long line, that means BX at A. Join A and C. So A, B, C is the required triangle. Hope you would understand the concept. Thank you.